Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I am Madhurima Sharma and today we will discuss history of television in India. So let's start. So this is a short history of television, how television broadcasting was started in the world. So in 1925, mechanical television invented by J.L. Bed in UK. Then in 1930 to 35, electronic television by Bed in UK, Gaborsky in Russia, Takayanagi in Japan, Jenkins and Jorkins in USA. So these all people who were trying to develop the electronic television, and this person Jorkin is also responsible for the invention of the cathode ray tube, which is very important for the electronic television. Okay. In 1935, first regular television service in the world from Berlin. In 1954, color television starts in USA in NTSA system. Then in 1967, birth of PAL and CCAM color television system in UK and France respectively. In 1968, birth of satellite television in USA and Europe. In 1974, first video cassette recorder VCR by Japan. In 1988, high definition television broadcast started in Japan. Next in 1990, worldwide boom in satellite and cable television network. And in 1995, we have DTH that make inroad in a developed country. DTH is direct to home. Okay. So next is history of television in India. So let's start with. So television came in India on 15th September 1959 with experimental transmission from Delhi. So the first experiment began in Delhi, and the objective was to analyze what can be achieved with the tool of community development, and initial funding for the equipment was from US, and in Delhi within the range of 40 km 180 teleclubs were set up and a TV set provided to the every teleclub by UNESCO, and the TV program were aired from auditorium Akashvani auditorium and professional of AIR. So it was under the part of All India Radio only, and it was the modest beginning with a makeshift studio, low power transmitter and only 21 community television set. So the All India Radio provided the engineering and program professionals. Okay. So this is a chronologically I have arranged all the timeline of the television development in India. So the experimental transmission from Delhi in 1959, then in 1961 school television for Delhi students, then in 1965 regular service with a daily news bulletin in Hindi, 1967 May Krishi Darshan, this is an agricultural program for the farmers, and for in 1972 television in a second city in Mumbai. Then in 1975 site launched, site we will discuss further. Then in 1976 commercial introduced. Then in 1976 Doordarshan delinked from All India Radio. So up तक ये as a part of All India Radio it was working and it was broadcasting the program. Up from 1976 Doordarshan and AIR got separated. So next in 1982 national program color transmission and networking through satellite, and in 1982 expansion through LPTs launched. तो LPTs हर remote areas में it was established. Then in 1984 first mass appeal serial हम लोग was started, and in 1983 countrywide classroom of UGC launched. In 1984 second channel at Delhi. Then in 1985 first regional satellite network in Maharashtra. फिर 1987 में मॉर्निंग ट्रांसमिशन वॉज स्टार्टेड. 1987 and 1988 में रामायण एंड महाभारत वॉज स्टार्टेड. रामायण वॉज डायरेक्टेड बाय रामानंद सागर एंड महाभारत वॉज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय B.R. चोपड़ा. Okay. Next, In 1989, afternoon transmission was started. In 1993, Metro channel with satellite networking was started. Then in 1993, regional language satellite channel. 1994 में restructuring of दूरदर्शन channel from DD1 to DD13 was done. फिर 1995 में DD India, it is the international channel of India, it was started in 1995. Then in 1997 Prasar Bharati, the Autonomous Broadcasting Corporation of India, this is also we will do further, the Prasar Bharati. Then in 1999 DD Sports channel inaugurated. फिर 1999 में न्यूज़ इन द आवर एंड इन 1999 में डीडी न्यूज़ एंड करंट अफेयर्स चैनल्स वाज स्टार्टेड. In 2000, Gyan Darshan, the first educational television channel was started. In 2003, Eklavya technology channel started. It is also a part of Gyan Darshan. And in 2002, DD Bharati was started, and in 2004 DTS service started. SITE. So SITE is a satellite instructional television experiment. It is the idea of Vikram Sarabhai, the chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission. Okay, so he persuaded Department of Atomic Energy DAE and US National Aeronautic and Space Administration, that is NASA, to work together to bring satellite based television to India. So he also signed an agreement that provide India access to NASA's ATS, that is Application Technology Satellite ATS-6, to conduct the 1-year experiment, or 1 year from August 1st 1975 to July 31st 1976. And Doordarshan used ATS-6 satellite to beam farm, health, hygiene and family planning program for 4 hours each day to 2,400 villages in rural India. So SITE was also used to telecast entertainment program consisting chiefly for rural art, music, dance, and for the most part, since every few people had their own set, there was SITE program in communal area where TV set were specifically set up for viewing the purpose. सो साइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये सब चीज़ आपको याद रखना होगा, लाइक ATS-6 एंड व्हाट वाज द डेट, 1st August 1975 टू July 31st 1976. Okay, next Prasar Bharati. So Prasar Bharati is a statutory autonomous body established under the Prasar Bharati Act and came into existence on 23rd November 1997. It is a public service broadcaster of the country, and the objective of public service broadcasting are achieved in terms of Prasar Bharati Act through All India Radio and Doordarshan, which were early working as a media unit under the Ministry of INB. तो पहले दूरदर्शन and AIR was under Ministry of INB, Information and Broadcasting. From 1997 it is a part of, so it is an autonomous body, and so under Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan and All India Radio works. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment and share. You can also ask doubt if you have any, and you can comment here, and I'll give you tips how to clear UGC NET examination and what was my strategy to clear NET exam. Hope you watched my last video also, so that you can do well in your examination. So study hard and yes, very smartly. All the best. Thank you so much.